Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Chris Kerrigan, and today on Making It with Chris, we are gonna make the juiciest, most flavorful chicken you've ever had. All right, let's get going. So what I've got here is a chicken, and we are gonna spatchcock this, which means we're gonna butterfly it, but it's why say butterfly when you can say spatchcock. So what we need to do is remove the backbone. We've got the breast side up right now. Go ahead and flip that over. And using a pair of kitchen shears, we're just gonna follow the backbone. So a nice pair of scissors or shears. You could even use a chef's knife to do this, but this is making quick work of that backbone. So here we go. Go ahead and turn it around. And now we'll just go down the other side. And just like that, we've got the backbone out. Now you can save that. That would make some great stock. I'll probably just end up throwing that out though. So once you've got this backbone out, go ahead and flip it over. We need to crack the wishbone. So just put your hand here. You'll hear a little snap. And now your bird's gonna lay flat. All right. So now it's time to get this bird seasoned up. I'm gonna grab some olive oil spray and some AP seasoning, which is just standard SPG. You can make your own. I've got this from Killer Hogs. To me, it's just easier to buy it, have it on hand. So go ahead and give your bird a little bath with some olive oil. Rub it around. Make sure we're gonna get the inside cavity as well. And if you've got some big pieces of fat like I've got right here, just go ahead and trim that off. There you go, like so. Then throw that in the sink. Now we're gonna give this a pretty good seasoning here. Just get that all in there. Little pat. And again, on the front side. All right, step 2. Now we're gonna make a little nest for the bird. So I've got some herbs here. I've got some flat leaf parsley, some rosemary, thyme, sage, and I've got some lemon slices here. So I'm going to start by taking the parsley and just build a little nest. So I've got 2 bunches of flat leaf here. And what this is going to do is help keep the bird juicy. This is just a phenomenal recipe. I've never had chicken so juicy before, and the flavors are amazing. So just spread your herbs around. All willy-nilly, if you will. I'm gonna put some lemon slices. And to that, we are gonna add the bird. Just on like so. Tuck our wings under those tips. Compact. And there you have it. We're gonna let this sit for about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour, then it'll be ready for the smoker. She's a beaut, Clark. Really nice golden deep mahogany. We got to let this rest for about 20 minutes and then we'll carve into it. I've got some anxious dogs that are following me around with this, so it absolutely looks gorgeous. So we'll come back in about 20 minutes and we'll get into it. This turned out just so beautifully. Crispy skin, I mean, it's just absolutely a thing of beauty. So let's go ahead and cut into this since it's been about 20 minutes. So see how easy these come right off. One wing. Just leave that there. Oh, so juicy. How juicy that is. Oh, really easy to overcook that breast meat. You can just see it on the cutting board. This is absolutely amazing. All right, I'm gonna get in there for a slice. Oh. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm not exaggerating. Yes, I'm putting up a video, but that is some crazy, juicy, flavorful chicken. That is, we got crispy skin. And that breast meat. Flavor of the herbs really comes through. The seasoning's light enough that gives you a little bit of that pepper, a little bit of garlic in there. I really hope you'll give this a try. Super easy chicken, not that expensive. You can do it on a Weber kettle grill, gas grill, whatever you have. So please leave me some comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like this video, I could always use that. So until next time. Be a great human being.